Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 12X, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. To get started, you will want to swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and then swipe down again the same way, which will bring down all the toggles. Next, find the power saving toggle. If it's not visible on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. Let's see if I can locate mine. I can't, apparently. So it looks like it might not be added by default. In this case, we're going to click right here on these three dots. And we're going to select Edit Tiles. And I can already see my power saving mode right over here. Click on the little plus. And as you can see, this adds the toggle. Now we can go back. And we should have access to it on one of the pages. So right over here. Once you see it, simply tap on it. It does change the way the battery looks like right here with this kind of like circle with a plus in it to signify that it is right now enabled. And the reason that might be important is because the power saving mode typically does some stuff in the background that might alter the way the device actually functions or delivers notifications. So if it's doing something that you don't want it to do and you realize it, you can turn it off. It's usually just caused by the power saving mode. And obviously, once you're done with it, you can also turn it off the same way by just tapping on a toggle once more. So, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.